Alright, this is part 2 of the last video. We're all done here. And me testing this. I've been running this for a while, enough for it to build up. Alright. I'm going to show you how the shower will work in a second. But I wanted to just show you that running and that we have no leaks down here. How are we looking? That is beautiful. We had to adjust the bottom of that waste chute and it is looking great. No leaks, no drips, no errors. Beautiful. So we're going to clean up, re-cement that, but this will be the final video. You don't need to see the cement. I'm not a mason. It's a rough cleaning job. Not great. It's not going to get it much better than that. We'll leave that to somebody else. But we will clean up a little bit more and run that. I just wanted to show how this worked. If you ever wanted to take it out, I mentioned this in the last video. If you're screwing it back in, you got to get it in. Just screw it a few times, okay? So this goes, you twist it, let it drop down if you want to take a bath. You twist it to the right to tighten it, and then it holds up. All right, now let's show the final results of this drain is this. When you take a shower, it's going to be able to keep up with that shower head. Not the best shower head. It's not building up water way back here. Taking it all down like a champ. We now have drainage, new trip, waste, and overflow. Oh, that's a beautiful, beautiful sound right there. All right, we all done. We're gonna clean up, throw a little cement in there, and we'll be all set.